Understanding risk starts with your outlook. So that's data-based. You have to have a market outlook. But you also have to look at that outlook in terms of customer budgets, customer risk tolerance. A quote from a founder, from Rob Fisher, was, "Don't get to where you can't be." Means that you can't put yourself in a position where I can be hurt and I can be damaged. Don't take that chance.
If you had to boil this down to one core thing, it's understanding risk in the markets on a daily basis.
We gather data from public sources and we provide the fundamental analysis of that data.
One of the things we have that I don't think others do is the anecdotal evidence. We give speeches, we go on crop tours, we talk to farmers, we talk to Wall Street, we talk to consumers. We also delve very deep into the data process and how reports are put together. And those are the kind of things I don't think our competition does.
We aren't about looking at the data today. We're about trying to determine where it's headed and what the trend is, which is the tough part. That's the real difficult part. And there's a little bit of artwork. It's a little bit art. It's a lot of science. They want to know where it's headed, and if certain changes happen, what the risk, the sensitivity and market sensitivity is.
All the time we spend looking at data, all the time we spend looking at research reports, it's to help us build a market perspective and identify where the risk is in the market. We take that market perspective and we apply it to our clients' needs. It's a customized product because no two clients have the same needs.
So understanding risk is more than just understanding the market risk. It's understanding the risk to my enterprise. Obviously, that's what we care about. I mean, we all talk about the market, but what really matters is the profitability of my enterprise. So I think that's the broader sense of understanding risk, is not just understanding what the market's going to do, but understanding what impact it's going to have on my business enterprise.
Usually the way we're using the data is we're watching the market and we don't understand what's happening. And we start to dig and dig and dig and find something that makes sense, that seems to fit what the market's doing. And it takes a lot of time, it takes some experience to dig in the right places. We tend to be a conduit from one side of the market to the other. The farmer wants to know what Wall Street's doing and vice versa. Sometimes we put them on the same phone call. It's very interesting. But understanding both ends of those and how they interact in the middle is crucial to our market analysis.
I think the ability to know what data to look at, what data to weight, what data to prioritize, what data is less important, that's our intellectual capital. There's no black box that can tell you that. That's just experience.
I think we understand the data and how it's put together better than most. We also have many years of experience working with it, so I think that gives us a leg up on the competition.
They all need to understand the risk.